Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a quick overview of the IFlight backpack. This is intended to be used for RC quadcopters and stuff like that, but it can also carry a notebook PC, so it's a multi-purpose backpack and has some really nice features. So let's open it up right away. The zippers work really nice, and inside you get this waterproof cloth that you can put over the backpack in case rain will cause you outdoor, and it has this configurable internal stuff, and this thing has a lot of small pieces, larger pieces, velcro bands and so on, and you can configure this as you want to and as you need to, and there is plenty of space inside to fit several type of things, such as small quadcopters in their own box, and you can then configure this something like that, or you can actually fit two inside and also use the extra space for the transmitter, and it's now safe here. And there's plenty of leftover space. You can fit several other types of things inside, so you may even do something like that, and you can fit extra accessories and other stuff that you need. And you may ask that there's no place inside for a regular quadcopter. Well, that's this thing here for, and you actually put a normal quadcopter, a larger quadcopter like this, you hang it from here and you can take that with you, and you can have the props installed, so it's rather easy to use this, as you don't have to take the props off to put them into your bag and then reattach them. And in the other pocket here, the large one, you can fit a notebook rather easy, and you can even fit a large notebook. And the very good thing is that you have thick padding here and also very thick padding here, so the laptop it's protected from what you have here, it will not punch it, and also on the rear it will be very soft for your back and very comfortable. On the exterior you also get this mesh pocket here to add some extras, or a bottle or things like that, and some extra straps which can help you to add several hanging types or things. You can use for instance a large bag for large propellers if you use two blade propellers for larger quadcopters or stuff like that. So you get these extra things, and they are versatile. You can use them for whatever you want to. And another nice thing is that this holder here, it's actually screw mounted, and if you take the screws off you can remove these, or you can use the pattern and install something else, or you can configure it otherwise. You can change the straps, so this is versatile and you can adapt it for your own needs. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this quick overview, and if you have any other type of questions regarding this backpack, let me know and I will try to answer them as fast as possible. Until my next review, see you and bye bye!